stop approaching. Everybody should stop and don't make any assumptions, right?
Yes.
You may stop first, you may not go first. If they go, you let them go, right?
Okay.
This is what defensive driving is all about. Doing everything you can. White line disappears, you stop dead, hold it, give you the bump, look left, right, left, Mandeep, and you're gone. Your turn is up. That's it. Yeah, definition of defensive driving, doing everything you can to prevent a collision, despite the actions of other people, the circumstances around you, right?
Yes.
It ties into being a responsible driver, predictable, good man. You slow for the bump, lift off the bump, lift off the brake. That's it, my brother. So I was saying, there's going to be more bumps up ahead. You know, slow with bumps, slow and go.
Okay.
Better to be on the slow side than too fast, and you try to hit them in the least intrusive way possible.
Yes.
So yeah, that's perfect, Mindy. Now you lift off that brake, let your momentum carry you back to the gas. So I was saying responsible driver is predictable, courteous, and artful. Predictable, do what people expect, drive according to the conditions. Courtesy, do unto others as you would expect them to do unto you. And artful, smooth, steady, gradual, fluid. Here, slow it down, check your rear view, my brother, that's it. You're doing a great job with the control of the bumps. We have a roundabout approaching. People in the roundabout, let's go right in the roundabout. People in the roundabout have right away over you approaching. Slow, look, vision, decision. Right signal on, Mindy. That's it, we'll go right here. Bravo. Look up the hill. That's it, my brother. We'll proceed straight ahead.
Okay.
Good. Residential, so we'll go on the base that it's 50 until we see a sign that tells us otherwise. Neighborhoods, you always look at the time of day that you're there, right? School is in session, so we know most of the kids are at school.
Yes.
Right? It's 3:30, 4 o'clock. We're more aware that buses will be arriving in residential neighborhoods at 2:20, 2 o'clock in London, 2:30. High school buses will be arriving in residential neighborhoods. Peekaboo your rear view, look as you go left, right, Stevie Wonder, and we're gone. The car, somebody's in that car, go around them and think about the door opening. So whenever we see a parked car, I'll say two words to you. I'll say feet and seat. Meaning, look underneath the car for feet, people walking out, check the driver's seat, look for any indication of activity.
Okay.
Exhaust, brake light on, their person's foot is on the brake. Anything that lets you that the door might open, they may pull out.
Yes.
Let's turn left, my brother. Left signal down. There's no line, stop behind the sidewalk, Mandy.
Okay.
Stop, hold it, assess your vision. Vision to the right is restricted because of the bush, left because of the fence. Roll forward, foot stays over that brake. Don't go to that gas. Once you've got vision, then process your decision. Now you're gone. That's it. Again, we don't encourage you to come forward with your foot over the gas. You're more likely to be impulsive, and if it's a road test, you push too forward too strong and give the examiner the wrong impression. He thinks you're going, your test is over.
Yes.
Roundabout approaching again, right signal on. People in the roundabout have right away. We're going to go straight ahead. Glance to your left. That's it. And follow it through. Look up ahead across the curve. That's it. Right signal here if you're comfortable. Peekaboo that rear view mirror. See who's approaching. Let's turn right at the roundabout up ahead, my brother. So now you can put that right signal on and then cover that brake because you can't see that far to your left.
Yes.
And that's why we do it this way. Bend it like Beckham. If it's good, double check. That's it, my brother. And follow the red pickup truck. Well done. Forward taxi, still in the car. We see the signal lights on. And we're downhill, so you won't use the gas much because you'll pick up speed without trying, Mandy.
Yes.
Look far, chin up. That's it. Peekaboo that rear view mirror as well, too.